Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to study for university engineering exams. First, thoroughly review your course syllabus to identify key topics and their importance. Next, collect all relevant study materials, such as lecture notes, textbooks, and problem sets. Then, develop a structured study plan, breaking down large tasks into manageable daily or weekly goals. This approach ensures you cover all necessary content without feeling overwhelmed, setting a strong foundation for success. Once you have your materials, engage in active learning. Don't just read. Actively solve practice problems from textbooks and past exams. Try to explain difficult concepts in your own words, perhaps to a study partner or even to yourself. This method helps solidify your understanding and reveals any gaps in your knowledge. Creating concise summary notes or flashcards for key formulas and definitions can also be incredibly effective for quick recall. As the exam approaches, shift your focus to intensive review and practice. Take several full-length practice exams under timed conditions to get comfortable with the pressure and pacing. This helps you identify areas where you still need improvement and allows you to refine your time management skills. After each practice test, meticulously review your answers, especially the incorrect ones, to learn from your errors and strengthen your understanding. Finally, remember that your well-being is crucial for optimal performance. Prioritize getting sufficient sleep, ideally 7 to 8 hours each night, and maintain a healthy diet. On exam day, arrive early, feeling refreshed and prepared. Double-check that you have all required materials, such as your calculator and identification. A calm and focused mind is your best asset for successfully tackling any engineering exam.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.